Start video, show you guys how the push to start system works. And this is the button right here. So all I gotta do is step on the clutch, hit the button. That's it. Shut it off. I just hit the button again with my foot on the clutch. If I just want to listen to the radio, press the button one time, the radio comes on. You turn it down because I don't want no copyright infringement. If I want to hit the backup camera, hold up, and put it in reverse. That's the backup camera. Turn the lights off. That's the backup camera. Told you this camera is sweet. Look at all that light back there. It's even picking up the brake lights. That's it. Subscribe to the channel. Hit me up at the 818 number.